quick review here at Aurora's food truck in Columbus, Nebraska, I should say. And I got a carne asada burrito. See how that is. Didn't get enough steak, enough in there, but flavors I did get was pretty good. That's a good burrito. The steak is really good, and the flavors are amazing. The cilantro and onion, they use red onion here. For some reason, the flavor's just coming out a little more. I really like it. I'm going to go. Like a 8.6 on there. It's a really good burrito. Not ready for the 9s yet, but it's a really good burrito. I like it. I would recommend that for a burrito.
Hey, I see you watched all the way to the end. I really appreciate that. If you'd like to watch more videos, click up here. And if you'd like to subscribe, click right over here.